Welcome to day 11 of the 14-day challenge. You've already practiced combining components, adjusting colors, playing with structure, and adding personal touches. And today, it all comes together. We're going to design a detailed charm using multiple components and tools you've learned to use so far. And to make things easier, today's worksheet already includes all the components you need, so you can dive straight into creating. Let's get started.
Let's start by creating the frame of the charm. Take the rectangle bezel, duplicate it, scale it up, merge the two together, and then with the smudging tool, blend the metals together for a seamless effect. Bring in a round diamond, set it with 4 prongs, and duplicate it along the frame, placing a diamond pavé on the frame. Next, set the marquee stone in its bezel and place it in the 4 corners of the frame. Next, we're going to set the 3 round gemstones with 4 prongs each and place them in the center of the frame to make the flower motif. Next, I'm placing a link at the top of the charm to be able to attach it to a chain. And we're going to place some links at the bottom of the charm as well to attach metal bars to it. Bring in the metal bars, place them on the links and scale them to the desired length. And then set the pear and a round diamond in bezels and place them at the bottom of the metal bars.
That's it for day 11. Today's design shows you how much you've grown during this challenge. Just a few days ago, creating something like this may have felt overwhelming. Now you can put together complex jewelry ideas in minutes. Tomorrow we'll take one step further by designing a complete jewelry collection. See you in day 12.